Hey guys, welcome to the part 2 of this section of physics. Before the class, by chancely मतलब cut out हो गया था, so sorry for that. Now nextly, we're starting mode, and this could be a longer video. Okay, then this is the part 2 video. Oscillation. Okay, before this section we have discussed the solution part of it. Differential equation of SHM we have already find out in equation number 4. X is equals to a e raised to the power alpha t. It is a assumption है. इसकी डेरिवेटिव ये होता है, डबल डेरिवेटिव ये होता है. तो डिफरेंट इक्वेशंस भी हम इसको दे चुके हैं. नेक्स्ट, using these values in equation number 4 d square x upon dt square plus omega square x is equals to 0. Here dx square upon dt square is equals to this, putting this omega square into x क्या है, this one is equals to 0. Taking common a e raised to the power alpha t, then alpha square plus omega square is equals to 0. Now in this, a multiplied by b is equals to 0, where a can be 0, b can be 0, or ab multiplication can be 0. So here this one cannot be 0, this one cannot. A is to the power alpha t is not equal to 0, so this could equal to 0, taking that in equation number 8. Next, from equation number 8 we have this one is minus. Is there any doubt? No. Alpha square is equals to minus of omega square. Minus of omega square मतलब minus 1 is equals to I. So I square omega square, I square is omega square. Alpha is equals to plus or minus I omega. This is equation number 9. Now, so the solution of equation number 4 is given by a x is equals to a e to the power alpha t. Now, giving it in components, we're gonna find a1 e to the power alpha I omega t, e to the power a2 e to the power minus I omega t is in equation number 10, where a1 and a2 are arbitrary constants. Nextly, in that we know something, that is but. What we know? We know that e to the power I theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta, and e to the power minus I theta is equals to cos theta minus of I sin theta. This is a formula. So we can write e to the power I omega t is equals to cos omega t plus I sin omega t, e to the power minus I omega t is equals to cos omega t minus I sin omega t. Similar as the formula. equation number 10 now becomes, now equation number 10 becomes x is equals to a1 cos omega t plus I sin omega t plus a2 cos omega t minus I sin omega t. This is the equation number 10 now becomes. After putting these values, we can forming by cos omega t taking common here, and a1 plus a2 plus I sin omega t taking common, a1 minus a2. This is equation number 11. Now if I substituting a1 plus a2 is equals to a sin phi. This is equation number 12. Sorry. Equation number 12, and I a1 minus a2 equation number is equals to a cos phi. This is equation number 13. Putting these values, equation number 11 and equation number 12 and 13. Now equation number 11 becomes what? X equals to cos omega t a sin phi plus sin omega t a cos phi. X equals to, taking a common here, cos omega t into sin phi plus में sin omega t into cos phi. Now this is a formula of what? Sin a minus b omega t minus phi, a plus phi. X is equals to this. This is the actual solution. This is the solution of differential equation of SHM. Now doing the special case, एक बारी देख लीजिए. Now doing the special case, there are two cases, considering them one by one. First of all, when a particle starts motion from mean position. When a particle starts motion from mean position, then the t is equals to 0 because it starts motion there. The t is equals to 0 and displacement is also equals to 0. Now here x is equals to 0. Now putting into the formula, x is equals to a whole into sine omega t plus phi. X is equals to 0, so this one becomes to 0. Now this one becomes to a whole into sine omega t minus phi sine phi. There a sine phi becomes to 0, then sine phi becomes 0, also phi becomes to 0 degree. And again x is equals to a sine omega t plus 0, where x is equals to a sine omega t. Writing here. Next thing is, when the particle starts motion from external position from external position, that means here t is equals to must be 0, but x is equals to some external position, suppose that is a. So what the equation become, a is equals to a sine phi. So sine phi, what becomes this one by this, so that becomes 1, a by a is equals to 1. So phi becomes sine phi is equals to 1, so phi becomes 1 half pi by 2. After that x is equals to a sine